Good evening, everyone. My name is Jessamika Kayan Harna from Section 10, and here's my video reflection. So, looking back at our culminating activity, I can't help but feel a surge of pride in how far we've come. It all started on March 14, and I remember walking into the venue and immediately feeling the electricity in the air. The competition was on another level, whether it was on the basketball court or the volleyball net. Every team was incredibly competitive, playing with a hunger to win that was truly inspiring. The crowd was absolutely wild. The screaming and the cheering created an energy that pushed every player to go harder, proving that this was about more than just a game. By March 28, the intensity only grew. Although I could only attend the morning session because I had to fulfill my CFE commitments, my heart never left the court. I made sure to be there to give my loudest support for my team because I believe that showing up for one another is what truly matters. Even when the pace of the games became incredibly fast and intense, I remained their biggest fan from the sidelines. These moments taught me that the real purpose of this activity goes beyond the scoreboard. It is about testing our character under pressure and building a band of unity and discipline that stays strong even after the final whistle. As we head into these final 2 days, I realized that the most important trophy we've won is the way we felt, grow, and supported each other as one team. Thank you!